Here's the Snowpack Outlook briefing for May 10th. Wet, unseasonably cool, and unsettled conditions prevailed much of the week with widespread valley rains and mountain snows, with snow levels between 7,500 and 9,000 feet during the week. Winter weather highlights were issued for western Colorado for mountain locations with up to 16 inches of snow accumulations in some of the central mountains of western Colorado, above 9,000 feet. So how's it look for the upcoming week, and how's dust looking? Here's a photo of the Senator Beck study plot area near Red Mountain Pass on May 5th, courtesy of the Center for Snow and Avalanche Studies. All the dust layers that were deposited in April have now merged and appear as expanding patches of dirty snow in the provided image. These layers will reduce the reflectivity properties of the snow, which is called the albedo, and enhance snowmelt. So here are the snow water equivalent values based on the percent of average for each of the basins from last Friday, and this shows large deficits across the southern sections. Now we'll jump to the new numbers from May 10th, and based on the latest precipitation and colder temperatures, the numbers have gone above 100% across the upper Colorado and South Platte River basins. Other areas are showing fairly similar numbers with the exception of the upper Rio Grande Basin, which now has dropped to 34%. But if you look at the precipitation, here are the percent of average precipitation year to date for each basin as of last Friday. The best conditions were across the north with close to 100% of average precipitation. The worst conditions were across the south with 68% of average in these southern basins. As we fast forward to May 10th, we saw slight decreases in percent of average precipitation across all locations. This was an indication that the increases found in the previous snow water equivalent slide were in a large part due to the colder temperatures rather than the precipitation this past week. So what can we expect for the next week for precipitation? Here's a map of the quantitative precipitation forecast through next Friday. Expect a drier pattern setting up with lingering afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms diminishing as we go through the weekend, and expect these showers and thunderstorms mainly over the higher terrain. We can expect only light accumulations across the area through next week. So what can we expect for temperatures next week? Expect a warming trend through the weekend into early next week. Here are the high temperatures expected on Monday, May 13th, which should be a good indication of what to expect through the remainder of the week. Here you can see high temperatures creeping into the 80s across the lower valley locations of western Colorado and eastern Utah. So what does the outlook look like through next week? Well, we'll have a ridge of high pressure building over the area, and this will bring warmer temperatures through next week. Expect a decreasing chance of mountain showers and thunderstorms through the weekend with drier conditions next week. As far as snowpack, we'll see faster snowmelt through next week, and this will be due to sunny conditions, a return to warmer temperatures, and we'll see some rises in some rivers and streams as well due to the snowmelt. And this will be in part due to the enhanced melting due to dust in the snowpack. This concludes the May 10th Snowpack and Outlook briefing.